Hello YouTube land. Welcome to another episode of Mr. 586's Lock Shop. Today I have something a little different for you. I have an old Sargent, wait for it to focus, there we go, Sargent 6-lever padlock. It's an oldie. And it's a very cranky one too. It doesn't work, it works. If it doesn't open that well, I have to actually assist it because it gets hung up over here on this side where it latches. So I'll give you a view of the back side here. Try to do that without the ceiling light shining on it. Now if you look really close here, you can see the number 27 stamped in it. Just to give you an idea of its age, they don't stamp like that anymore using that font. So I'm sure you know. So as I say, it's a Sargent 6-lever, complete with one key. Let me get a close-up look at the key here. Now, I don't see any markings on this key at all. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Ah, yes there are. 4B29. I didn't see that with my bare eye, or naked eye, that's why I'm using the camera. So we have one key, one padlock. As I say, it's an antique key. So let's open her up. Turn that back, so you can see. I've cleaned it up a little bit, pumped it full of silicone spray. So if I don't assist the lock, let me show you what happens. It just turns. You can hear the levers moving. You can hear it clunking. But yet it's not turning over. So when I get to a position of about here, if I put my thumb there, all of a sudden there we go. Like I said, it's temperamental. It's getting hung up. I'm not sure whether it's getting hung up on this last lever here, or whether it's getting hung up on the side of the case. Could be a number of things. Now let's move the, oops. There's a view of the latching mechanisms. It latches on two different points on both sides of these levers. Here, and these levers down here, which I'm trying to show you without getting it in the shadow. Let's rename the camera a little bit. See if that helps. There's, and also when the key turns, this last lever here on the left doesn't go all the way back. That also could be the problem. I don't know if the key is off by just a little bit or not. Just trying to get this so you can see both sets here. Kind of hold it like that. So you turn it again, and you can see this set of levers. But I'm having trouble showing you that set there. The light here is just not cooperating with me today. Camera's getting confused. There we go. I think I may have it now. You can see the bar there in the middle. You can see the latches retracting. There you go. And there you have it. So let's take the key out, put the key back in, and let's lock it up. Also looks like it's on an angle too. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this or if it got bent at one point. It's hard to say. Obviously it locks very securely, because as you can see it doesn't open very easily. I have to manually assist it. It wants to open, but there we go. And I have to pull on it. I see it's getting hung up on the case here. I can probably fix that too. Alright, now I think I've got the idea. There we go. Oops, get my thumb out of the way so you can see. Yep, see it's binding right there on the case. That's what its problem is. Getting hung up. Looks like it's getting hung up right here on the case itself. Huh. I may have to mill this down a little bit. But that's an entirely different matter. As I say, we have one key, a 4B29. So it says right there. We have a 6-lever old Sargent padlock. I don't know what the age of it, but I can tell you it's an oldie. Especially with, like I said, this 27 right here. They don't stamp like that anymore. They haven't stamped like that in decades. I'm not sure the age of this. If anybody out there knows, please leave me a comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. Get it closed. Stick the key back in it. And that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.